In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in Notion. By the end, you'll know 2 simple ways to get a PDF directly into your Notion page, so it's easy to view, share, and keep organized alongside your notes and tasks. Let's start with the most straightforward approach. Perfect for files saved on your computer. Open the Notion page where you want the PDF to live. Place your cursor on a new line and type /PDF. From the options that appear, choose Upload. Your file picker will select the PDF from your computer, and Notion will upload it right into the page. After a moment, you'll see a PDF block with a built-in viewer. You can scroll through pages, zoom in or out, and open the file in a larger view if you need more space. If the block looks a bit small, hover near the edges to resize it, or switch the page to full width from the page menu to give your document more breathing room. This method stores a copy in your workspace, so it's available on any device for anyone who already has access to that page. If the PDF is large, give it a few seconds to process before you try to scroll through it. Now, if your PDF already lives online and you don't want to upload a new copy, you can embed it by link. On a new line, type /PDF or /embed. Then choose Embed Link. Paste the direct URL to the online PDF and confirm. Notion will display the same familiar PDF viewer, but it's pulling the content from the link you provided. For best results, make sure the link points straight to a PDF file. Many direct links end with PDF and that the file is publicly accessible. If the PDF is behind a login, restricted by permissions, or the link goes to a web preview page instead of the actual file, Notion may show an error or fail to load the content. If you run into issues, double-check the sharing settings and try a clean direct link. Whichever method you choose, you can rename the block. Add a short description above or below it for context, and adjust the size so it fits neatly into your layout. Use direct upload when you want a stable copy stored in Notion. Use embed via URL when you prefer to reference a single source of truth that's maintained elsewhere. That's it, 2 reliable ways to embed a PDF in Notion without breaking your flow. Thanks for watching.